students, today we're going to go through our alphabet. We're going to start with our letter names, and then we're going to do our letter sounds. Okay, are you ready? Let's begin. This is the letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. All right? Those are the names of our alphabet. Just like animals have names and animals make sounds, letters have names and letters have sounds. So let's say the sound of this letter. Are you ready? The sound that A makes. A says A. B says B. C says K. D says D. E says E. F says F. G says G. H says H. I says I. J says J. K says K. L says U. M says M. N says N. O says A. P says P. Q says Qu. R says S says S. T says T. U says A. V says V. W says W. X says X. Y says Y. And Z says Z. Very good. Those are the names and the sounds of our alphabet in English. Very good. See you guys next time. Bye.